My name's Jasper, and this is my second channel. Feel free to check out my main channel down below. But this is a channel where I post daily videos answering people's questions on how to grow a digital marketing agency using the GoHighLevel software. I've built my own six-figure agency over the past few years, and I still manage clients to this day, so I'm in the trenches with you. And now I help others for free to grow their own agency. And for context, the Zoom call recordings you'll see in these videos, I do every day for free for my GoHighLevel affiliates and just answer their different questions. If you want to be a part of these free Zoom calls and work with me directly, you can read more about how to get access to that down below.
Then the other quick thing on like the funnel, doing some like global stuff. My buddy was trying to, actually maybe it was this one. Yeah, so he was trying to set up where he could just have like global headers, and I mean obviously you could do it manually, but when you're trying to build a lot of businesses at once, it like wouldn't save this header onto the other pages. And we were following, I thought the step was pretty basic, so I don't know if there's some common error with that or
Yeah, so click the green box behind the orange. So if you go over to like the left side of this orange box, or you could do the purple. Yeah, select the purple one.
okay.
Click over to the left where the little plus sign is, right below the back button. Yeah, right there. And then go to sections. And then sorry, go to it's gonna be under pre-built sections. No, it's gonna saved assets. Maybe it's under that one now. There it is. All right, global
Yeah,
sections.
yeah.
So one of these is gonna be a header. It looks like you've already created one. Just so I know, I'm trying to think just which one is which.
Yeah, I don't know what this one is, but I know this is his header, I'm pretty sure. But we could just make a new one. I mean, it's
Yeah,
not
let's delete these ones real quick and we'll just create the new one just so we know that which one we're working with and which is the correct one.
okay.
So click X out of here. Where the purple box is, oh man, I'm trying to like see where the little button is at. Hover
Hey,
over because
I'm
usually
sure
like
there is the button. I don't see it though.
click X off the styling panel over there on the right. There we go. All right, hover over the green box at the top, not that one, but the one above it. Yeah, that one. And over on
Mm-hmm.
the far left, there's a little like save disk, the bottom one, right? Yeah, right there. Go ahead and click that. And then save global. So the middle, yeah, just call it global header. Perfect. Global section, and then go ahead and save.
Okay.
All right, so
So
now anything you change and edit in that section now
it
will
should
edit
stay.
across the
Okay.
entire site as long as the other parts of the site, the other pages have that global header as well. So that's one thing we would need to know. So
Mm-hmm.
switch to like at the very top middle of the page it says home clone. Switch to like your link in bio clone. That'd be like another page of your site. Well, actually, sorry.
Oh, did
We
I need to save that? I think it did not
we
save.
may check if it's saved. So click back on the plus sign again.
Okay.
And then click your saved assets global.
I
Dang it.
need to
All
do
right.
it again.
Do it one more
Okay.
time. Sorry.
No worries. I should have done that.
You're all
Uh,
good.
let's see.
Um,
Save, header,
Perfect. All
then
right.
save up here.
And then we can switch to another page. When you created it, when we just created this global section, I'm guessing, I don't think by default the other pages will have the global header. And so we need to make sure the other ones have the global header as well, because their header
All
will
right.
be just a normal header and it won't be affected.
Let's get a different page. Not that.
Yeah, find another page where you would have that header. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
So that this one by default is not going to be the global header. So what we need to do is click the little plus sign up at the top right below the back button. Oh, it is
It
global. Okay, it does say global, which is good.
does.
Okay. All right, perfect. So it is. So now any edits you make on like homepage or if you make an edit on this page, it should change it on the homepage as well. Let's test it real fast. So click on like the navigation menu where it says home, about, services, contact, those four different.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, click there. Click add item down below. And let's just add another service menu item right there. Yeah, just like name this one like test or something like that. And then click
Yeah.
submit. All right, so now we've added that test. Go ahead and save this at the top and then switch back to our home page where we just were before. Oh, wait till it loads. Wait till it loads. It's still saving. Click X out of this real quick. Now switch over to it. Sorry, it's done now.
How do you know when it's saved?
Well, it was just loading
Is it
still at the
this?
top right. I just saw that it was like
Oh,
still
okay.
loading. But yeah, go back into the home clone and there should be one that says test now.
It's
It's
not
over
letting me
on the left
click
side.
it. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Yeah,
There
it's
we
on there.
go.
Okay, perfect.
Okay,
Sweet.
so now just make sure if any of those other pages, when you hover over that section up there, if it doesn't say global at the bottom left of the box, that means it's not. So you just need to delete the one in the other pages and then add the global section because now this global section is saved. You can easily just like paste it into any of the other pages now that you've saved it as a global section. So anyway, that
Right.
might have been
Well,
the
thank
issue.
you. I honestly probably could have figured that out myself. I just figured I'd get the quick answer instead of continuing to troubleshoot. So I appreciate that.
No, you're good, man. No worries. If you want some more in-depth content on how to grow your digital marketing agency, you can join my free HighLevel Quest community down below. It has my full 7-hour course on how to get your agency fully set up and go high level from start to finish.